When we're talking about adding a border to a quilt, it's really important that you actually measure your quilt beforehand. So let's pretend that this one, the left one, is 75 and a half. Let's do 75 and a quarter. Do 75 over here, okay? Take those three measurements and add them together.
225?
Yeah, 225.75. Now, to find the average here, this is the goal of doing this. We need to divide it by how many measurements. So we're gonna divide it by 3.
I hope it's 75.25.
It is! That's what we cut our borders to, okay? 75 and a quarter here, 75 and a quarter here. All right, so pin, pin, and then you ease all the other pins in between.